Summer's finally kicking in, and we thought, all right, let's kick it off properly. Just jump on the bike and ride. Me and my girl, packed up, no overthinking, just the essentials, strapped down to the bike and gone. And Ireland right now is doing something weird. 28 degrees in Ireland. That's basically unheard of here. So yeah, staying home was not an option. When weather like that shows up, you just ride. This time, Wild Atlantic Way. That legendary stretch on the west coast. Cliffs, ocean, mountains, tiny roads, lighthouses. The kind of places where you kind of forget where you are. We're not doing all 2,500 kilometers though. Only got a week for this. Could have blasted through it, done the miles, said, look at us. But that's not the point. We're not here for records. We're here to ride it properly. Stop when it looks good. Stay when it feels right. And when it's this warm in Ireland, yeah, you're definitely finding a beach and jumping straight into the Atlantic. So the plan, start somewhere mid-route and head south. No strict route, no rush, no pressure. Just ride. Sleep in a tent. Wake up with coffee somewhere by the ocean. And spend the evenings where all you hear is wind and waves. And of course, this is Ireland. So even with 28 degrees in the air, rain gear is still in the bag. Because here, weather changes its mind faster than you do. All right, let's see what the Wild Atlantic Way throws at us. First stop for us, Charleville Castle. We've got history with this place, long one. We've spent nights here, evenings here, and yeah, a few proper parties back in the day. There was a time we probably came here more often than a supermarket run. According to all the stories, this is one of the most haunted castles in Ireland. Ghosts everywhere, legends, strange stuff happening, all that. Funny thing is, we never saw a single one. Maybe they just knew we were coming and stayed out of the way. Last time I was here was probably around 15 years ago. At least, that's how it feels. Time just flies. All right, well, gates are closed. Should have probably called ahead. That guy, what was his name? Duffy? Uffy? No idea anymore. He's basically the guy running the place. Bit of a shame. Would have been good to go inside, walk around, bring back old memories. But it is what it is. So we'll just send the drone up instead and take a look from above. 15 years ago, I didn't even have that option. Didn't make it inside Charlevoix Castle today, but it's all right. Just one of those we'll come back one day spots. We've still got a full route ahead, so no point getting stuck on it. According to the plan, there's another castle on the way anyway. Not as famous maybe, but still worth a stop. We've never been there before, so why not? Today we're not reaching the Atlantic either. Different direction now. From home base, we're rolling towards Tullamore, then further down toward Loch Derg. That's where we're aiming for tonight. Campsite by the water. For now, just riding. It's hot out here. Rare kind of heat for Ireland. Feels like you could ride in just a t-shirt. But the brain is still working. Just about. Self-preservation is still doing its job. Because yeah, you can go down fast if you're not careful. And that leather gear, it's the only thing standing between you and a bad day. So we keep it sensible. Slow roll, open road ahead, and still a good bit left to ride. First day is coming to an end. Not exactly how we pictured it this morning, but screw it. We hit a few castles, a few pointless stops on the way, but now we're back where it matters. Asses on the seat, hands on the bars, moving. Ireland's doing something weird today. Proper heat, like 28 degrees and climbing. Feels like the asphalt's about to start melting into the tires. This isn't normal weather. This is some kind of anomaly. A full-on two-wheel hell. After a whole day of the sun cooking you like a cheap steak and the helmet squeezing your head like it's got a personal grudge. Every stop felt like salvation. But now there's only one thing on the mind. One goal. The lake. Doesn't matter if it's freezing. Doesn't matter if there's people there. Doesn't matter if it's clean or not. We just want to rip the helmet off, kick the boots off, get rid of all this heavy gear, and dump the whole day straight into the water. So we keep rolling. No city in mind, no finish line on a map. Just one destination. Cold, fresh water. Throttle on. Let's go get in that lake.
Looking for stable on my left hand.
Perfect. You might just keep it on your face.
Oh, it's too warm.
It's very warm, yeah.
First day is done, but honestly, this is just the beginning. Still a long road ahead. More routes, new places, Atlantic coastlines, mountains, campsites, and all the stuff you can't really plan even if you try. The kind of trip where things just happen. So if this one got you hooked even a little bit, you know how the YouTube game goes. Drop a like, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, and we'll catch you in the next one, or somewhere out on the road.